Hi there, my name's Loran and I'm at www.lorannorthey.com/coaching, and there you'll find the information on my 6-month coaching program, which is the Loran program, which covers everything from self-love, observation, releasing all your old habits and all that stuff that's got in the way up till now, attracting what you do want in your life, and then nourishing that and really looking after yourself so you can propel yourself forward into the future that you really want. Now, the 6-month program is amazing, even if I do say so myself, and it has fantastic results. Now you can see the testimonials on lorannorthey.com, and that's LORANNORTHEY.com. There's the testimonials on there. There's also video testimonials on my YouTube channel, so you can see it there. And basically what you get is you get masterclasses, you get one-to-one coaching, you get a private Facebook group which offers massive support and resources. You get emails, you get e-coaching, there's audios, there's e-books, there's workbooks, there's 24-hour helpline, all of those things to really make sure that you get rid of whatever it is that's been holding you back up till now, so that you can get whatever it is that you really want now and in the future. Life's too short to be full of stress, anxiety, worry and all of that old unnecessary rubbish. Why bother? I know ways to get rid of all that anxiety easily, effectively and permanently, so that you can really get what you want in life. So please come to www.lorannorthey.com/coaching and really, come on, just come there and be happier. That's all I'm asking. Thanks. See you there.